hiring a car, which is what we've just done. And we are going to be driving through Daintree Rainforest and loads of waterfall spots. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We don't really have a route planned. We're just more going to just drive until we find what we like. So yeah, that's pretty much the plan for today. And I hope you enjoy the video. We've got Lewis and G, that are designated drivers. Just got in the car. It's actually really, really nice. What are you doing? Bluetooth? Bluetooth. Gee, my bestie!
Let's see how it goes. Yo! Some weird way of doing the signage. Because it looked like two different...
First stop, 7-Eleven.
Very good question.
Coffee.
I don't answer yet.
That's it. Plan is to go to this cliff jumping spot first. And then some waterfalls and like this hike and things. And yeah, that's pretty much the day. We're not really sure what we're doing. I'm sure I'll get lots of videos of the boys cliff jumping. It worked!
So what do you think about today? What are your expectations?
No crocodiles eating me. No spiders.
Oh, I forgot about that.
And no snakes.
That's a lot, that's a lot.
What are your expectations? None. Jump off a cliff.
Yeah, you'll do that. Yeah, we're gonna have fun, man.
Being very kind to everyone and taking on all the stress of
Whoa!
Oh, I'm just about chilling. What's up, boy?
We're in the car, we're almost there. Currently in the middle of nowhere, don't really know where we're going. But this is the road. Whoa! We were just saying how many snakes are probably in that.
Yeah, no, so I didn't realise the
That's
scale of
awful.
them.
3 meters high.
That's fine.
Yeah, there's definitely some
And spiders
bad
and
boy
everything you don't
snakes in
want.
there.
Oh.
Ah, man, that...
In the home
So
room,
excited!
spiders and
I've lost my signal.
Full speed, full speed.
Oh my god, why is this road so like... We're going to the middle of the
Of nowhere.
middle of the forest.
It
Jungle.
can be anywhere to park.
Must be what you said.
It reminds you of DMV. Okay, so we've just arrived at first spot, which is, I can't remember the name of it. I'll put it on screen. It's called Bahana Gorge, I want to say. I don't know how to pronounce it. Don't take my word for it, but we're here and we're about to go do some cliff jumping. So it's a little bit rainy, which is good and bad. Good because the waterfalls will be more prominent, is that the word? I don't know. But it's also a bit annoying because it's cold. But I'm just moaning, we'll be fine.
Oh, yeah, man. It's good.
What are you doing?
Checking it, doing the croc shake.
Yeah, like just the
Thing is
test.
though, I don't want to lose my Caterpie, Great Ball or Charmander. Because I lost my Squirtle already. Cambodia's taken my Squirtle. He's my buddy.
Aww.
So we want to get to the furthest one.
Yeah, we want to get to the
So let's just
clamshell
start, so
falls.
let's start going then, eh?
That's quite easy, it's just a straight line on this road.
Yeah, we'll go.
Okay, pretty long walk.
Yeah, man. Your legs are ridiculous. If I see a crocodile,
There's people, which is good.
That's a good sign, yeah.
Good sign.
I'm just happy that these aren't stairs.
Why? Don't you think that might be like easier?
No. We've done a lot of stair hikes.
Yeah, they're
They're
awful.
wet. There's so much work.
How many spiders do you reckon are in here?
Look,
Thousands,
hundreds of thousands.
billions.
I don't know
Billions.
about that.
Play that game where you make a noise, you've got to try and make it with your mouth. Like...
Definitely
I
not.
said it feels like we're an I'm a Celebrity, get me out of here. Ba-dum, boom, boom, but I don't know the theme tune. I don't know what that means. Seems fine. Ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, boom. Bum, 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 bum.
they're so shit. Like they never thought trying to get out.
We're off to the jungle.
We're in the jungle.
We're in the jungle. Definitely a long walk. But we're getting there, slowly. G and Libby are all the way back there. Literally 5, oh, I think that's it. No, it's not, that isn't it. I don't know. This walk is hardcore. Oh, so hot. Bloody sweating. Here on water, and the boys have stopped, so I think we've arrived. So out of breath. Whoa, that's so cool. Okay, first waterfall has been found. You alright?
I love it.
It's cool, isn't it?
If you jump out there.
Yeah. We'll go. I don't think there's crocodiles in this one. That's what everyone says, so.
Watch it, about to go
Want to make it harder?
Right, we're almost there. Oh, so long. You thought you get to the end and then it's just more. Honestly, it's so insane. Okay, I'm running to catch up with the boys because I took a few too many videos and now I'm behind. Okay, we're here. You might not be able to hear me, but we're at the coolest waterfall ever. And we're trying to find some cliff jumping spots for Lewis and Ed to jump off of. And G as well, I think he wants to do some. So currently testing all the water, making sure it's, what's the word, safe enough pretty much and not rocky. And then we're going to do that, I think, if we can find some. Trying to hike down all these rocks and things is honestly a pain in the arse. The boys are so good at it. And I just feel like I'm going to slip at any given moment. But we're getting there. The boys are currently testing the water to see how deep. You right, Lou? Okay, so we're sitting here. G's not sure whether he's going to jump yet, but he might. The boys are testing the water and they found a spot they could jump in. So cliff jumping, roll footage. It's a success, honestly.
Don't do a backflip, guys.
Terrifying. But I've done another one. Don't really know what's going on with my hair. Whoa, success! Okay, so
Honestly, I should have made it tally. How many
we just found out there's a bigger hike or a bigger jump. Okay, 1 second. Yeah or no? That's so pretty.
So what is it? I don't know. You said just before the wall. So I imagine
Which I reckon it's that rock there, but no. Okay, we couldn't find. Ignore my hats, by the way, because I'm holding everyone's stuff. We couldn't find the cliff jump. That's the 7 meter. So we're just going to go to the rest of the waterfalls. But yeah. Next spot. Let's go. We've just pulled over on the road because there's a lookout spot. So I will quickly show you.
No, I do have mine as well, but like,
Yeah.
I'll be alright.
Get me in,
That's
Lewis.
so insane. It's so cool.
I'll take that picture for you.
These roads are the most windy things ever. I feel so ill. It's a bit chilly now. Hello.
You've seen the movie
Hi.
Right?
It's a bit chilly. We're at Mila Mila Falls.
They look nice.
In the jungle. Not too slippery. Right, so we're at Mila Mila Falls, second location. The drive was about 2 hours, so it's getting late now. Not really sure how much more we're going to be able to do today. But the drive was beautiful. Okay.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, the drive was beautiful and saw so much countryside. We're listening to country music and it was really nice. Holy crap, that is the biggest. It's freezing, but it's pretty cool. It's way too cold to go swimming. Thinking about what? Well, we haven't gone in. We've just stood there and we're like shivering, but... Oh.
Okay, so now that I'm out the way, you wanna go? Alright.
So we just got back from Daintree Rainforest and yeah, that was pretty much it. We had a really good time and I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one.